What up, guys? Today here we have the Ferrari 488. We're doing a few things to this bad boy. As you can see, at the moment the wheels are off. They're in like a gray finish now. We're gonna powder coat these in a gloss black finish. Will look much better with the black and red calipers. If you're wondering why is the car taped up, we're actually about to perform a gold package ceramic pro on this vehicle. If you look closely on the door, fender, swirl marks all over this vehicle. We're gonna get all that removed with our gold package ceramic, and this car is gonna have that real showroom finish and that showroom shine like it's supposed to. Also guys, as you guys know, on these vehicles, the engine is always in the back. Usually they have like a glass so you could see through and see the engine. On this particular vehicle, it does not come with that option. So this is gonna be removed and it's gonna be see-through so we could see this beautiful engine bay. We're gonna add some red designs on these panels, and we're gonna add some glow lighting. This way when you're standing outside, you can see the beauty of the engine. The customer did have one concern. His concern was at night that these lights are not bright enough. So we came up with a solution. We're gonna get these same projector lights and we're gonna add them on the bottom of the bumper behind the grille. And then the customer driving the car will be able to see everything in front of him and he'll be out of danger's way. To top it off for the outside, red racing stripes. It's gonna look good because the car is all black, the wheels are black, calipers red, and they got the red guts. And then, you know, at Autosport, we do upholstery here, guys, and we always add some sick upholstery. So we're gonna do some upholstery on this bad boy. Behind those seats, there's a big panel that the customer wanted to change in red. So we're gonna take the seats out, pull out that panel, and we're gonna do some upholstery back there. And it's gonna look much better, especially when that top is down.
Lady, I can feel the tension.
If you guys are wondering why we have this big Sprinter van here, this vehicle was actually in an accident. It was repaired, and this side of the van was missing the wrap on it. So we're gonna wrap this full side. The car, as you can see, is matte black, and that's what we're actually doing at the moment.
Lady, I can feel the tension. It's a new point of inflection. I'll show you a new dimension.
So we got 2020 Dodge Durango SRT. Got a slight accident over here. Bring you guys around, take a look. Had a nice set of wheels on it. Wheel broke off, hit the back of the fender. As you can clearly tell, the fender is gone. Got to check the bumper, make sure everything's okay with it. And definitely got some suspension damage. So we're gonna lift it up now and see what's going on underneath. I just want to show you guys something. See if we look inside here. This wheel housing, well, the liner got ripped off, but you see all this that's in here, that's all crushed like a soda can. All of this got to get strained out, got to get torched, heated. We got to treat the metal and bring it back and stretch it back into its original form. So basically everything that's over here, we are going to replace. The brake line, all that black stuff, that's the grease from the axle. You know, this thing's actually supposed to bolt onto this piece over here. And this whole thing got ripped off because of the accident. This is actually called the subframe. It's this whole big bracket, and that's what the engine of the vehicle sits on top of this. And this also holds the control arms and stuff in place. So it's a critical component. It's a small tear. Somebody might be tempted to weld this, but we wouldn't do that over here. We'll just simply replace it because this is torn and we don't want to compromise the safety or the integrity of the car. So the subframe got to get replaced. Once that gets replaced, we're going to replace all these suspension components, clean everything up, send it out for a wheel alignment, and hopefully get this thing back on the road.
All night I've been loving you.
Ay, papalote, qué lindo, chulo.
¿Jangueando? ¿O venía a trabajar?
No, right now, that's my time. I'm eating right now.
Eating?
Yeah.
Pero Papa, you fat.
No, I don't care. I eating anyway. They're not eating, no good guy.
Yeah, right?
I need to eat it for my brain not thinking. The eating, my brain
Happy.
happy.
And this is how it is. This is how the
Can I get my
eat.
man Mike? We got rid of the popcorn, guys. I had to take a break like Bruno, but we're back. We're back in the rap studio now. I'm gonna start off talking to you guys about this S-Class here. As you can see, the vehicle's already apart, which is always great, so we could get to work. So what we're doing to this, the car is gloss black. This customer wants to protect his vehicle, so we're gonna do a clear wrap. That's the best way to protect your investment. Clear wrap is gonna consist of the regular gloss clear, so he's gonna have that shiny black finish, but then we're gonna also do a matte PPF clear. This way it's gonna be two-tone, it'll be matte PPF and gloss PPF, and then it'll be matte black and gloss black S-Class. And as you guys can tell, the rims are already done, powder coated. So this is up next for that clear wrap.
Urging me, it be urging me. Chill it up, the talk of cold curtain, please. I decided to go all like Major League. She just popped the Perkin, just like poker beans. She just popped the Perkin, say I hurt her knees. She hurting me, rich Don Hercules. 2 cups, Martell, blow it neat. Serve a fiend, fuck a bitch and go to sleep. I need to get me before we leave. No kid, pull up, remember me.
This is also gonna get wrapped. This is a previous client of ours. This car was originally red chrome. You guys can see the paper and the edges. We're still removing the wrap. Inozetek had teamed up with Alex Coy, and they came up with this sick color. It's like a purple, orange, green, blue. Everywhere you look, it changes colors. These were very rare wraps and very limited, so we bought a few rolls for the shop, and this is gonna be the first bad boy that gets this color. We got more cars out here getting wrapped, so we got an Audi that's fully disassembled, ready to go. This is gonna get like a chalk gray finish. All the pieces, all the chrome, this vehicle has a lot of like silver and chrome. Those are all disassembled and they're gonna be done in a gloss black finish, as you can see on this outer trim grille here next to me. And the wheels came out the oven, freshly powder coated, just like we like it. All right, so guys, I previously recorded when we finally received the all-new Maybach. I got to tell you a lot of what we were gonna do, and there's one thing that I didn't mention, which is the clear wrap that's getting done now. We're doing gloss black PPF, not gloss black wrap. I said it correct, gloss black PPF, and we're doing a gloss regular PPF on the bottom. Same day service, guys. We got a brand new Tahoe. We did that executive TV package. The car's ready to roll. Turn them on. Now look, when you turn it on, Chevy logo. Better than the OEM. More features, you got apps, YouTube, all that stuff, Netflix. That's what people want. And we do it, baby. Buckle up for safety.